Hi, and welcome to the Exam Coach video, Studying Smarter, Not Harder. If you didn't get a chance to watch the first Exam Coach tutorial video, I would suggest going back and watching that before continuing on with this video. You want to be able to navigate through Exam Coach, and this video is going to focus on how to analyze the My Progress section. The first thing you want to do is log in to your account. From there, you will see the Exam Coach icon. Make sure you click on that and go into My Categories. Once you're in My Categories, you will see My Progress. My Progress is where all of your personal progress is stored. Inside of My Progress, you'll see a couple different categories. The first one we're going to look at is called My Activity. And inside My Activity, you will see all the categories and subcategories that you have visited and the last date that you were in them. Going back to the topics in My Activity, we'll take a look at the flashcards. Once inside the flashcards, you'll see all of the categories where you've hidden any flashcards that you didn't want to see anymore. Remember when you checked that green check box at the top right? That removed the card. If you want to bring that card back, you can just simply click on Bring them back. Then we'll look at the quiz questions. Inside of this category, you'll see where the quiz questions were that you've answered 3 times correctly. Exam Coach automatically removes these from the rotation, but if you want to bring them back, simply click on Bring them back. Then finally, My Exams. Inside of My Exams, you'll see how many practice exams you've actually taken, what the score was, and then if you click on emailing the score, you can send that to someone that you're working with at the campus. You'll also see how many you got correct, the percentage, and if you click on See Detailed Results, this information here will break down every category, how you did in a percentage-wise in each category, and then also which categories you may not have had any questions in yet. So make sure that you're taking a look at where you're scoring low and you're going back and utilizing the techniques from the first video. So as we're going back and looking at terminology, flashcards, and then taking quizzes. We want to take at least 4 quizzes and pass 4 quizzes in a row before we move on to the next subject category. If you're struggling with passing 4 quizzes in a row, then you want to go back to the terminology. Remember, everything starts here. If we don't understand the terminology, we're not going to be able to understand how to break down the question. Remember, when you email your score to the person at the campus who you're working with, you want to open up the detailed results and either screenshot them or copy and paste them into an email. That way the person you're working with can see where you scored in each category. And finally, stay focused, positive, and always reach out and ask for help if you need it.